Hey guys, it's Ray Alvarez, Shoot with Ray, and this is a very short form video for you guys. It's just a quick tip on how to get past the guidelines, or when GenAi Fill tells you, hey, we can't really do this because it breaks terms or is against our guidelines when you're showing too much skin. So in this video, I just want you guys to check out my quick hack. Hopefully this works for you guys. Let's go right into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna open up your photo. As you can see here, there's a lot of skin involved, and sometimes Photoshop thinks that you're trying to do something that is against their terms. So for that, we're going to be testing this out. I'm going to test this section here just to kind of show you the error that comes up. You guys may be familiar with this error. So there goes the error, and this is how we avoid it. Again, Photoshop thinks that you're trying to do something against their guidelines, which we all know we're not, but this is how we fix it. So we're going to create a duplicate layer. That's going to be our backup. This is going to be our duplicate layer. And then we're going to create one more. And that's going to be the test layer. This is going to be the layer that we're going to be playing around with. We're going to come back to the duplicate layer later. Now we're going to create a new layer. This is going to be your quote unquote cover up. It's almost like masking, but this is my way of masking for this simple hack. You're going to make sure that the hardness is 100%. The size should be adequate to the size of whatever you're trying to cover up. And then also make sure that the opacity is 100% as well. Go ahead and cover up whatever it is that Photoshop thinks you're trying to alter. And in this case, it is the model. So I'm covering up the model. And then you're going to merge those two layers. Make sure that is there. We're going to come back to that duplicate layer shortly. Now we're going to grab the selection tool and we're going to try to test it out now. And we're not going to get the error. There you go. It's been fixed. We did not get an error. So clearly the hack works. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to select the area that I covered up. So we're going to go back to our selection tool and just form a small layer around it. Essentially, you're going to bring back the model into the picture. Grab the duplicate layer. So you're going to copy that, select copy, go back to the cover up so this new layer can go on top of the cover up layer. Click paste, paste special, paste in place. There you go. Now that area is back to normal and everything is fixed. All right, guys, so that's how you do it. That's a quick workaround or a quick hack to this Photoshop GenAI Fill glitch. If you have a hard time doing it, or if you have any questions, just contact me in the comments below or in my Instagram, Shoot with Ray. I'll be more than happy to help. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out this video that's going to pop up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.